This is Doc Ron, and welcome to NewPEX Ask the Pro. So for today, our focus will be our geriatric or older dogs. So most often than not, you come to the clinic and ask us, Doc, ano pong nangyayari sa pet ko? Medyo humihina siyang maglakad, medyo nahihirapang huminga, medyo bumibilis ang tibok ng puso. So for today, with the help of this NewPEX clinic vet, we'll be looking at how we could actually help our dog. So if you would be looking here, we could focus first on the cardiovascular, and you could see that the heart needs to beat properly, diba? And going back, if you will be seeing here, this is the good heart. It's going to just pump naturally. So ngayon, ang isa pa nating minsan or gusto kong pagtuunan ng pansin ngayon are the joints. So usually, pumupunta tayo sa vet, Doc, nahihirapang maglakad. So bakit nga ba nahihirapang maglakad? So again, similar with humans, dogs could have arthritis. So arthritis, this one would be inflammation, namamaga yung sa mga kasukasuan or yung sa ating joints. So ibig sabihin, pag naglalakad, gumagalaw, masakit. So yun yung nagkakos ng pain, or sometimes nakikita nating limping. So kaya sila ayaw maglakad. So, anong pwede natin gawin, especially for joint pains? So, meron tayong mga binibigay na gamot. Yun yung mga steroid drugs natin. But, there is also a management wherein we could give good food for our joints. So, ano ba ang hahanapin natin sa mga dog food na ganon? Glucosamine. So, glucosamine is very good supplement for joints. And then also, syempre, pwede tayo maghanap ng mga plus. Like for example, omega fatty acids. Nasabi nga natin kanina, heart. Omega fatty acids will be good for the heart. So always, when looking at our geriatric or older dogs, let's look for a complete package that does not only target one area, but again, also two or more areas that we usually have problems with our pets. Okay, so now we've discussed dogs, again, old dogs, but don't worry, it could be the same with your cats. So now we'll focus on older pets. So what else could you do? Again, as a vet, I usually advocate to get an annual physical exam and blood tests. This would ensure that we are looking for the best health of our pets. Again, as well as that, loving care from the family. Syempre, as they grow old, they will be looking for companionship, and they have been with us for how many years? Some would be 10, 15, or even 20 years, and they will be looking for that companionship. So always remember, tender loving care for pets given with good nutrition would have a great benefit for our geriatric loved ones, our pets. So this is again Doc Ron for Ask the Pro by NewPEX.